This past week has been a tough go in so many ways, but it's just heartwarming to see something like that.
It's good.
It's still slippery. I mean, it's melting, which is good, but we've got a ways to go.
Ice that thick takes time.
Yeah, it does.
And shady spots don't get the advantage of that full sunshine. So we did a whole lot of good today, but there's still ice. And there likely will still be. Like if you've seen a plowed area where maybe there's a big old like 3 or 4 foot pile, that may still be there on Wednesday. It's not going to be on the roads, but big piles, they're just going to kind of insulate themselves. So we do indeed have more closures and delays for tomorrow. So this is what the snow watch map looks like right now. Sumner, the most recent to be added to the list. Rutherford County also reporting that they're going to open late tomorrow. They haven't entered that into the system just yet, but I do know that Rutherford is opening late. We have a couple additional closures you can see draped across our southern tier. Williamson opening late, Metro Nashville Public Schools opening late, Stewart opening late. The details for these are at newschannel5.com. They're on our app too, really easy to find right at the top, so you can figure out the specifics, the timing of what's going on. I know everyone's got that cabin fever. I do. 40s, 50s right now. We're in some spots today. McMinnville made it into the low 50s. I mentioned this earlier, but this good news is worth repeating. It is not just our afternoons that will continue to warm. It is our morning lows, which means no more freezing temperatures. Not in the morning, not in the afternoon, not any single day this work week. Tuesday is still going to be a cold one, but not freezing. 35. Tomorrow morning we climb to 53 with clouds and some intermittent showers around. Lows in the 40s. The lows Wednesday morning will be as warm as it is outside right now. That's good news for us. 50s become 60s by the middle part and end part of the week. Now along the way also comes quite a few raindrops. We've got showers already crossing the Mississippi River, and that leading cloud cover is swooping in. It'll likely set the stage for a very pretty sunset tonight. And I'm going to tell you to soak that sunset up because we're not going to see a whole lot of sunshine for the next few days. It makes the warm up that much more notable. Imagine if we did have wall-to-wall blue sky and a southerly breeze. We'd be cranking. I mean, it would be a proper heat wave. Good that we can get this kind of warmth with clouds and rain around. So Tuesday's when rain starts to fall, intermittent. Looking at around 1/4 inch for the folks that get the most. Tomorrow's rainfall will be the lightest of what we'll see over the next 3 days. Wednesday is when we're expecting our first few batches of heavy rain, and then again Thursday there will be some pockets of proper soaking rain. So right now we'll fall into the 30s tonight, but then we pump the brakes on the cooling. Clouds help to trap warmth at the surface, and the warmth we've got is warmth we need. So we are not going to drop below freezing tonight. And by 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we'll have a few showers in our western tier. Again, light, but you'll have some raindrops around for that morning drive time, right? However it is you're getting to work, handling those kiddos out of school again. We'll see a brief break late Tuesday, and then the heaviest rain looks to come Wednesday morning, another heavy pocket Wednesday night, and another heavy pocket Thursday morning. Heaviest totals look to be across our southern and southeastern tier, which is really good news. That's where the drought has been the most prolific. So how much rain? In general, we're looking at around 1 inch for our Kentucky tier and potentially 2 to 4 inches near the Alabama border. That's going to make a big difference. We'll dry off a little bit Friday, still not freezing, love that, but we do cool off just a skosh this weekend.